Hi, I'm Tim Evans with Crack Eraser. In this video, we're going to go over our quick vac triple start windshield repair tool, our single injector tool. A little bit about how to put it together when it comes in your kit and a little on how to use it. So this is the tool. It'll probably come disassembled without the injector in it and the adjusting bolt. This is a triple start thread, so it's a little bit tricky to get it started. You got to get it just right. But the advantage is one turn is the same as turning 3 turns of a non-triple start thread. You can see how fast that's turning. You've got your lever suction cup. You have your adjusting bolt. And then the injector breaks down into 2 parts. You've got your piston, where the piston O-ring goes on. Then you have your injector itself. This kind of has a tapered funnel in it, so the resin can go down inside there. On vertical windshields, you just stick your bottle of resin in there and squeeze it, or you can load them from the bottom and then put the injector seal in. It's also very small around here, so you cure under pressure. That's to let the resin start to gel a little so it doesn't pull air back in after you've filled the chip or the bullseye or star or combination brake. There's a lot of advantages on this tool, and I just wanted to go over how to put it together a little bit. So you're going to take the piston O-ring, which is the small round one, and that you're going to just kind of peel it and put it on there. And then you're going to put a drop of 20 resin or 45 so it'll go in the injector easily, because otherwise it'll be sticky. You don't want to put it in there dry. You also got your injector seal. Now the black one is the one mainly made for the single injector, and you put this at an angle and you just want to put, there's a groove in the middle. You don't stuff the whole thing in there. You just put the first little lip of it in there and then you work it around. And this injector seal is the part that makes the seal on the glass when we're injecting. So the way this tool would work if we were doing a repair, and of course we're going to go over repairs, but this just gives you an idea, so I'm going to have to lubricate this a little bit. And also put a little drop of resin on the threads because they need a little lubrication too. And since these threads are hidden from the sun, which is another advantage of this tool, you don't have to worry about your injector getting bound up or getting glued together. But so basically you're going to put it on the windshield. It's already going to be lever because of this lever cup. You're going to suck it down. That's going to make it very fixed in place. You are going to put a little bit of suction cup grease on there before, because you want to be able to slide it a little bit, so you'll put a little grease on there, and that allows you to slide a little, which we won't do here. Then you're going to lock the lever down, and then you're going to turn the adjuster and the injector down until they touch, and then you're going to go just a little bit more on the rear, maybe just a teeny bit on the front, but not much. It's just so it's putting a little pressure on the glass, not much at all. If you are out of the black injector seals, you can also use the red. These are primarily for the dual injector, but they're interchangeable. These are just a little softer, a little different compound. But the black works the best with the single. But if you run out, use the red. Then you're going to remove the piston. When you first use the tool, you're going to have to put about 6 drops of resin in there because it's empty. And then after that, you can do a repair with a couple drops. But you put your 6 drops in, and then you'll turn the pressure down until you see the black O-ring. I guess we could do it, because then we'll clean up the desk. This will be good. And we're also going to go through this and repair some. And you'll see that injector seal standing up a little bit. Right here down at the bottom. That's how you know you're getting pressure, and then this is vacuum. Now there is a little pressure before it goes on there. I designed it this way so the injector wouldn't be so long. And how do you know when you've got a good seal on there? Usually when you pull it out, it'll kind of make a pop. Which it's not here on the desk, but it'll go when it comes out. That's how you know you got a seal down there. But anyway, they're very simple. We use quick pressure vacuum cycles, and then we'll be watching the chip fill. Now once we get the chip full, then we're going to cure under pressure, and that's where we'd have it under a little bit of pressure. Just turn it till the injector seal starts to lift up just a little bit, and you can feel that on the piston too. You can feel a little tension there. Then we let the sun start to cure it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll pull the tool, make sure the repair is good, and finish curing it. So that's just the basics of how it works. The other thing to remember is this tool can be converted to a crack tool. You can take the lever cup off, and you can put these 3 suction cups on there, And then this tool can slide. You'll use the grease, and this can slide and then do cracks. Up to a foot, maybe 18 inches. You have to stage resins because the crack is tight at the tip, and as it goes down it gets gappy, and if it turns it could get tight, and if you go over the impact point you need to put a drop of the 45 resin, the thin resin. So you know, it's a little harder to do with a single injector. That's why we use the dual for cracks, but I did design this to where you could do some cracks with the single. If you're seeing a lot of cracks, then of course you want the dual injector. But this tool is great. It's got a lot of advantages over the other guys. And that's just the basics on how to put the tool together and how it functions. Again, this is Tim Evans with Crack Eraser. For more information, go to crackeraser.com or email us at info@crackeraser.com or call me personally at 719-331-5966. Thank you.